Hello, my name is Dirk from SmartSync Solutions in Germany. Let me just introduce you our new product. The product is called sDot, and it's actually a wireless charger charging through tabletops with a thickness of up to 40 millimeters. And the idea is actually you don't hurt any or destroy anything at the table. You just need to glue this part here underneath the tabletop. And on top of the table you need this pad here to amplify the signal. And then you put the phone on and it's charging. That's it. Simple idea. And you can you find more information about our products on our website www.smart-things.com. Thank you very much for listening.